Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean the top of a carport roof using a K7 surface cleaner. So let's get right on with the video. This is my carport roof. Its actual length is around about 2.5 cars length. Now over time, this type of, it's almost like a fiberglass top. It tends to get really dirty. So when you're underneath, when you're looking up, you're not getting clear sky. I know it's mottled anyway, but it's not clear. It's just really dirty. Now, on this roof, I do have to be a bit careful, so I have actually put boards down so I can actually work off them. Now, with the surface cleaner, it does have a height adjustment, which is really handy, especially because obviously this is almost like a louvered finish roof. The handle itself is really easy to grip hold of, and it helps to get into those small little crevices. Also, the surface cleaner has got a pinpoint sprayer on the front, which is very useful. Now the surface cleaner itself, though it goes spinning round and round, it does do nice straight lines easy. And it's sort of hovering off the top of the floor, if you know what I mean. Easy clean. If you are attempting to go up on top of roofs, be very careful. Do make sure you put plenty of planks down. Make sure it's safe. The knob in the middle that I've turned round is for hard or soft. And also the pedals adjust the height. So it's got a unique feature on that. That is really great for getting into all those little crevices. You can almost see it's almost getting clean now actually. Let's see, it's coming up quite well. It's not going to be perfect by a long shot, but it doesn't matter too much. It's a lot better than it was. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? When it all dries, that'll be really nice all together. It's those little cracks you really can't get into. But I guess you could do that with just the hose itself. Now from underneath, you can see as it was, and you can see what it's like now. And there we go folks. If you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!